Here's the Puma 26 bunkhouse CE. Assuming it's very similar to the last one. Ah, interesting. Yeah, I got a bunk bed right inside. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. And a bunk bed on this side. Oh, that is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Which one are you in?
This one, and look at this. I love it. This is the camping edition.
I like that even better. Look at this. Holy shit, it goes all the way back.
And this over here is even just as good. Big old storage. 3-burner cooktop.
Oh, I see. It's
Yeah.
a private bunk.
Yeah, so you have 3 bedrooms. Or whatever.
This is private for this person. This is private for this person.
This is great. This one's only $24.9. The master is going to be a little snug, but based on the trade-off of the other features, I don't see a problem with that. Still got plenty of room, plenty of storage. You can get around the bed. I don't see any problem with that area at all. You walk through the bathroom.
This isn't my favorite thing, but I mean, it works.
Yeah, it's the only bathroom, I would say, for a 3-bedroom. It's a
Yeah, but you could separate that off and separate that
yeah.
off so if somebody does have to come in and out.
Yeah, this is pretty sweet.
I like this one a lot.
Yeah, this is the Puma. I don't see one of those outdoor kitchens on this one, but that's not like a deal breaker for me. I don't know what that is. Oh, good sized garage space.
That's under that bunk.
Ah. Oh, so you can reach it from outside.
Okay, so that's the furnace up here. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, there it is. It's a little smaller, but hey. I think it slides right. Magnetic or something?
Yeah, I'd like it if it was a little stronger. That does not slide out. Good enough, you know, some beer and some sodas or whatever.
Yeah, it's not like you're continuously cooking when you're outside. It's nice to have access to a cold drink or whatever. Camping edition.
Oh, I see. It's got... So it's stopped there.
Or there.
I guess so you could push it out of the way till it cools off.